Do you want to use Windows 11 without a Microsoft account? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a local user account. No online sign-in, no syncing, just a simple offline account you control, whether you are setting up a PC for someone else or just prefer privacy. This method keeps things local and secure. Now let's get started. So to create a local user account in Windows 11, we are going to click on the Start, and then we click on Settings. So at the left pane, we are going to click on Accounts. And then at the right pane, we are going to scroll down, and then we click on Other Users. So we are going to click on Add Account. So it says, how would this person sign in? So you're going to click on, I don't have this person's information. So I'm going to click on that. And then this interface gives you the opportunity to create a Microsoft account. That is not what we are going to create, okay? We are going to create a local user account, okay? So you are going to click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. So here we are going to type the username we want to use for the local user account. So I'm going to type test, and I'm going to enter a password, okay? And then I'll re-enter the password to confirm. Okay, so here, in case you forget the password, there's security questions you must answer before you reset the password, okay? So we are going to click on the first one. What is your first name? Okay, and the second question. Okay, so we are going to type. So the third question. Okay, and then we click on next. So now we've created the local account for test, okay, the local user account name test, okay. So let me lock the screen, and then we see what happens. So if I want to log on now, you see my Microsoft account and then the test account, okay. So let me click on the test account, and then you can enter your password for the test account, okay. So let me go back to my Microsoft account. So after you've created a test account, you can specify whether this test account is going to be an admin account or a standard account, okay? So to do that, you are going to click on the Start, and then we go to Settings, and then we click on Account. And then we scroll down, and then we go to Other User. So at the test account, you click on the down arrow, and then you can change the account type, okay? So when we click on that, you see standard user or admin. So whether you want this test account or the local account you created to be an admin account or the standard user account, okay? So this is basically how to create a local user account in Windows 11 without a Microsoft account. Please, if you find value in this video, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button, liking the video, and turning on your bell notification so you never miss any updates. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.